Nobody enjoys going to court or receiving punishment, particularly when teens are present in the audience and when the penalty could possibly be life in prison. So in this video, we are going to discuss top 3 teens in court reacting to life sentences. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Number 3. Hoskins. In December 2013, Hoskins pleaded guilty to strangling Latrice Mays, a young mother of 5, at her apartment at 47 Burton Street Southwest, and then placing her body in a dumpster outside a Wyoming apartment complex. It was argued by police and prosecutors that Hoskins killed Mays in March 2013 because she was going to talk to police about an assault by Hoskins against the father of 2 of Mays's children. Hoskins pleaded guilty to second-degree murder in the midst of a trial where he was charged with first-degree murder, which carries a sentence of life in prison without the possibility of parole. Second-degree murder has the potential for parole. But when Hoskins appeared before former Judge James Robert Redford on January 2, 2014, the judge handed down a sentence of 50 to 100 years in prison. Hoskins grabbed the heavy wooden podium and threw it toward the bench. Court deputies grabbed Hoskins and escorted him from the courtroom to begin the sentence that will not allow him to leave prison until sometime between January 5, 2064 and January 5, 2115. As Hoskins, whose street name was Big Monster, waits in his cell at the Saginaw Correctional Facility, the Michigan Supreme Court took a look at Hoskins' request for an appeal and denied it with a terse statement saying that there simply were no compelling reasons for the case to be reviewed. Number 2. Franklin Williams. A judge on Friday said the convicted robber who made national headlines when a Cuyahoga County judge ordered his mouth taped shut during a court proceeding was a narcissistic individual who blamed others for his own actions. Visiting Judge Patricia Cosgrove said 32-year-old Franklin Williams did not learn from his 4 previous prison stints for escalating crimes over the last decade before she imposed a 33-year prison sentence. A decade of criminal history victimizing the citizens of Cuyahoga County, Cosgrove said, "This has got to come to an end." Williams was convicted in December 2017 of multiple felony charges that said he carried out a string of armed robberies in December 2014, led state troopers on a high-speed chase and cut off his ankle monitor, and fled to Nebraska in the middle of his 2017 trial. Williams remained quiet throughout the hearing and made no interruptions or outbursts. Williams portrayed himself as a social justice icon throughout a 12-minute statement to the court Friday. He said he wished to be the voice of Black men and teenagers killed by police across the country, using the names of Tamir Rice, Trayvon Martin, and Oscar Grant, and said he hoped to be a beacon of the First Amendment and Eighth Amendment rights of freedom of speech and protection against cruel and unusual punishment. Williams said he was treated like a dog about to be put to sleep when Common Pleas Court Judge John J. Russo ordered courtroom deputies to tape his mouth shut after he repeatedly interrupted his July sentencing. He said he deserved to be treated like a human and asked Cosgrove to impose the minimum sentence of less than 20 years in prison. "I suffered the ultimate humiliation," Williams said. Number 1. Man acts insane. So many people are still hesitant when it comes to believing whether or not this man is acting or if he's for real. From the moment he entered the court, he appeared with an almost constant weird head shaking and his lips wide open while paying attention to what the judge was saying. Mr. Jones was kept standing in front of the judge to hear about the new charges he'll be facing. He's being accused of murder and weapon possession during a violent crime. When the judge asked him if he understood the charges, he answered yes. When he was asked if he had the income to hire an attorney on his own, he answered, "Does it look like it can? Damn it." He started to get louder, and when the judge asked him if he preferred to hire his own attorney or get a public one, he answered, "I don't care." Let us know your opinion in the comment section below. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.